channel, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but for today's video we are going to be making sweet and sour chicken. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. What was I going to say? Okay, yeah, I've already cooked the rice because like I want to do like some fried rice with it, because just eating chicken by itself is nice, but like you need something on the side, you know. Okay, anyways, I won't be speaking a lot this video. I'll mostly be showing you just how to do it, and I'll be speaking like maybe in between sometimes. Anyway, let's get started. I just finished, as you saw, I just finished slicing the chicken, and I put it in corn flour or cornstarch. I think it's corn flour in the UK, but cornstarch other places. Okay, anyway, I just finished that, and I'm going to beat the egg right now, and then I'll dip it in the egg and put it on the pan. So I just took the egg carton out of the fridge. I was just about to open it, but it wasn't opening. Like it looked like it was glued shut. I tried to open it. When I did open it, the egg just fell out and it cracked on the floor. That's one egg down. I have a lot of eggs left, but still such a waste, and it's annoying, but that's what happens. I don't know why this thing wasn't opening though. Oh wait, I actually forgot to record when I was putting it in. What was I gonna say? I finished frying the chicken. So I finished frying the chicken, and I also finished the rice. I couldn't film it at the moment because everything was so hectic, so I couldn't be filming at the same time. But here's the rice as well. I haven't finished with the seasoning here. It actually looks nice. So basically what I did was I put the vegetables first and the oil, and then I added egg. There's not a lot of it in there though. And I mixed the egg up, scrambled it up, and I added the rice that I cooked already, and I added soy sauce, a bunch of different seasonings, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm not done with the chicken yet. I'm gonna actually film the part of me actually telling you how to make proper, what's wrong with me today? Making sweet and sour chicken. So yeah, we're gonna do that now, okay? You need a quarter cup of, I'll tell you, it's basically a quarter cup of everything, but because of the amount I cooked, I think I cooked like 615 or something like that. I don't even know. Yeah, you need a quarter cup. I'd say half, so let's just do half first. Of apple cider vinegar, so that's one. That's the same spoon of soy sauce. And then with my spoon, I just mix it a bit. Sorry for my voice, guys. I have a bit of a cold, so that's why I'm sounding a bit different. Okay, and then we need ketchup. We need another 1/4 cup of ketchup. So I'm just gonna pour that in. And just scoop that out. Get as much as you can. Okay. And then let's just mix that in. Guys, keep on mixing everything in so it can become one mixture. It's going to be mixed together anyway, because this is not enough sauce for what we have. So I'm going to double it anyway. And then we need a 1/4 cup of sugar. We don't want a lot. I'm only going to put a 1/4 because we don't want too much sugar in our food. As you see, guys, this would only be enough for like half my food, so we're just gonna go and double it, everything again. Those stuff floating in the sauce is just the garlic from earlier. Small at a time. You don't need all of it at once. Okay, there we are. I just don't like when they serve the sweet and sour chicken and there's literally no sauce on the chicken whatsoever. That's what I don't like. But all of my chicken is covered in the sauce, so I think I'm all good. I'm gonna try one I'm gonna try one. That's good. It's really good. I love sweet and sour chicken so much. I just want one more, wait. I just love the flavour. Not those boring chicken like... Okay, everyone loves barbecue chicken and stuff like that, but you know, you have to switch it up a bit. Okay guys, here's the chicken. It's darker in real life and it's lighter on the camera. I don't know why, but... Okay guys, I've done my chicken and as you can see, it's covered. Everything's tasting all good. So this will be the end of this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.